We're here at the OKC Sawmill, and we want to show you a little bit of stock that they have on hand. And this is stuff that's normally here. We'll walk over there and we can kind of get a look at that a little closer. And this stuff varies almost daily, so I want to keep that in mind. We'll go over there and take a look at that stuff also. Real nice cedar there. These slabs here sure make some nice tables. They really try to specialize in tabletops and stuff like that, but they'll pretty well custom cut anything you want. We'll go over there and see what we got over here.